Hi, this is Steve with Suburban Microgreens. Today I'm going to do a tomato planting into a container. I know it's not microgreens, but I've also have a gardening playlist, which is what this will go on. This is going to be a fall planting. It's early to mid-July right now, so I've got a bigger plant that hopefully will have time to produce. I've got it's what I call a protein container, and it's cattle protein comes in it, but they're super heavy duty. A friend of mine gave me a couple of them that I'm going to repurpose, so I'm going to drill some holes in the bottom of it. I'm going to fill it up with rock in the bottom so it drains, and then I'm going to put the plant in there and I'm going to fill it in. I got some organic garden soil here that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to cut this little cage here off that it came with. I don't think that's going to be big enough to help it much when it gets full grown, and then I'm going to see if I can squeeze the plant down enough, hopefully, to get this one over it. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to do a time lapse through this part of it because it's going to take me a little while, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So let's get started. There it is. I did get it inside the tomato cage. It was a little bit of a chore. I did break a few little limbs off, but this thing probably could stood a little bit of pruning anyway, and I took some of the lower limbs off on the lower branches. So I got this thing in here. It feels pretty stable. I may come back and drill a hole like here on like 3 spots and run like some picture framing wire just to stabilize this thing, because once it gets bigger and if it gets really windy, it might try and blow that cage over. So I'll probably wire this cage to the sides of the pot, then it won't go anywhere. Anyway, so I'm gonna water it in and give it a little bit of fertilizer and see if we get some tomatoes this year. If you want to see the progress of the tomato plant, I've got my Instagram page. If you'll subscribe or like me on my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, then I'll post some pictures of the tomato plant, you know, periodically when it starts getting bigger and when it starts producing tomatoes, and hopefully crop of nice big celebrity tomatoes. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share my videos. Thank you.